Sahasrabuddhe, N.H. Sahasrabuddhe as our guest. So today we will be in conversation with Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe. He is a Vastu consultant and he is into Vastu since last 30 years. He has written many books on Vastu. To name a few, it's Mystic Science of Vastu, Secrets of Vastu Shastra, Remedial Vastu for Home, Offices and Industries, Remedial Vastu for Shops, and Mahavastu. These are just his books, to name a few. He has written many books. He has more than 5,000 students all across the globe. And he is a master in Vastu. Today we are going to talk about Vastu remedies. Namaste Charuban. We will be in conversation with Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe. Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe, he is a Vastu consultant. Today our topic of conversation will be Vastu remedies. He has written many books on Vastu. To name a few, it's Mystic Science of Vastu, Secrets of Vastu, Remedial Vastu for Home, Remedial Vastu for Shops, Offices and Industries, Mahavastu, etc. He has more than 5,000 students across the globe. So he has converted 5,000 Vastu Shastris till date. Maybe more. 5,000 is as per my knowledge. But he may have taught more than 5,000 students and more than 100 books he has written. He is a Pune based Vastu consultant and he is into this line since last 30 years. Hi Sushma Ben. Hi Nima. So today we will be in conversation with Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe, Dr. Narendra Sahasrabuddhe. So today we are waiting for him to join in. We will be in conversation with Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe. He is a Pune based Vastu consultant. He has written many books on Vastu. To name a few, it's Mystic Science of Vastu, Secrets of Vastu Shastra, for home, Remedial Vastu for shops, offices and industries, Mahavastu. So, namaste and welcome.
Namaste. Hello, everybody.
So, people are anxiously waiting for you today.
So we shall start.
Yeah, but let me introduce you once again.
Okay.
We will be in conversation with Dr. N.H. Sahasrabuddhe. He is a Pune-based Vastu consultant. He has written many books on Vastu and he is in this field since last 30 years. He has more than 5,000 students across the globe and there are many, but I know only more than 5,000. I don't know the full list, right? So, Dr. Sahasrabuddhe, welcome to this forum.
Thank
And
you.
we would like to know more about this. That how you entered into this field? How you entered into this field? You are an engineer, right?
Basically, all medium should be English or Hindi.
Hindi, English mix chalega.
वो हमारा बेसिकली तो मैं स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर हूँ तो हमारे आर्किटेक्ट लोगों को ये वास्तु शास्त्र की वजह से बहुत तकलीफ होती थी। और मेरा ज्योतिष का पहले से अध्ययन था और योग शास्त्र का अध्ययन था, मॉडर्न साइंस का बहुत अच्छा किया था। तो सब आर्किटेक्ट्स ने मुझे डेप्यूट कर दिया कि बुद्धे तुम ऐसे करो कि ये शास्त्र झूठा करके साबित करो। इसलिए उसमें उन्होंने मुझे इसमें धकेल दिया। तो मैंने बताया कि ऐसे झूठा नहीं कहेंगे, कुछ अध्ययन करेंगे। फिर हमने ऐसे 100 केस स्टडीज किए कि जिसमें प्रीमैच्योर डेथ्स हुए, जैसे कि खून हुए, अपघात जन्य मृत्यु है, सुसाइड्स हैं। इस प्रकार से 100 केस स्टडीज लिए और उसका फिजिकल सर्वे किया कि विंडोज किधर है, बोरवेल किधर है, सेप्टिक टैंक किधर है, टॉयलेट्स, हाउ द ट्रैवल ऑफ द लाइट इज हैपनिंग, ये सब, और कंप्यूटर पे इकट्ठा कर दिया। तो जब इकट्ठा किया तो सब में 4 कॉमन फॉल्ट्स निकले। फिर वो सब डेटा लेकर हम मधुर कृष्णमूर्ति करके राजमहेंद्री में महेश योगी के एक मास्टर हैं वास्तु के, उनके पास गए। तो वो तो बहुत खुश हो गए कि यंग लोग इसमें आए हैं 1990s में। आई वाज क्वाइट यंग, नाउ आल्सो आई एम नॉट दैट ओल्ड। तो we took all that data over there and he became so happy and he gave us 10 sutras in which these 4 लक्षणाज उसमें दिखाई देते हैं वो सूत्राज में। मुझे संस्कृत ठीक से आता है इसलिए सूत्र पढ़ के मुझे बराबर समझ गया। तो शास्त्र डिस्प्रूव करने के बजाय शास्त्र अप्रूव हो गया।
ओके, राइट।
तो जैसे हमारे ऑफिस के पास में एक केस स्टडी था कि जिसके लिए सूत्र ऐसे हैं कि द्वारे तुरथ्या विद्धे भवेत् सर्वकुलक्षयः। जिस भवन पर कोई किसी भी दिशा से रास्ता के अगर हिट करता है तो उसमें कुलक्षय हो जाता है। तो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के यहाँ साउथ की विथिशुला थी, तो एनहांसमेंट ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस ऑफ द साउथ होता है। तो जैसे साउथ का वाइब्रेशंस बढ़ता है तो उसके लिए अपराजित पृच्छा का सूत्र ऐसे हैं कि नश्यन्ति पुरुषास्तत्र, पुरुष तत्व का नाश होता है। देवता प्रणश्यति, देवताओं का लोप होता है। धन हानि करोति नित्यम रोगकृत दक्षिण प्लवाहा। तो प्लव का मतलब 2 तरीके से, एक स्लोप है और दूसरा तरंग है, स्पंदन है। जिस भवन पर दक्षिण के स्पंदनों का प्रभाव अधिक रहता है वहां पर पुरुष तत्व का नाश होता है। और वो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के 2 बेटे बेचारे के यंग वंस नई कार लाई हुई एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पर जा रहे थे। दे गॉट क्रश्ड एंड डाइड ओवर दैट। ओके, this is the form, future and fortune. This is called as the trika, triad of the वास्तु शास्त्र। कि जिसका फॉर्म गलत है तो ऑटोमेटिकली फ्यूचर इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू फॉर्चून, वो दुर्दैव में जाता है। इसी को जैनिज्म में आकार, स्वभाव, गुण और काल कहते हैं। जहां पर आकार प्रकार में क्षति है वहां पर जो काल है वो सर्प समान विषमय हो जाता है। और वहां पर गुण जो है वो दैवी नहीं, पिशाचवत, राक्षसवत, दैत्य स्वरूप गुण निर्माण होता है। इसलिए आकार, स्वभाव, गुण और काल, ऐसा जैनिज्म में उन्होंने चतुसूत्री दिया है। और सनातन धर्म में इसी का ही त्रिसूत्री है, जिसको घट घटना घटाकाश कहते हैं। कि जिस घट मतलब कंटेनर असिमेट्रिक है, नॉन सेक्रेड है, नॉन ज्योमेट्रिक है, तो वहां पर आकाश तत्व का स्पंदन जो है वो विषम होता है। और जहां आकाश तत्व का स्पंदन विषम होता है वहां पर घटना का जो एहसास होता है वो भी विषम हो जाता है। इसे घट घटना घटाकाश। तो इस प्रकार से हम ये शास्त्र में हम प्रविष्ट हो गए।
ओके, राइट।
थोड़ा आपका आंसर मेरा लंबा हो गया।
नहीं नहीं, बराबर है। बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू नो मोर अबाउट इट। आपके मुंह से जब सुनने को मिल रहा है तो इट इज लाइक यू नो, और भी लंबा होगा तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा
थैंक
है।
यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपके
अभी मैं
प्रश्न के
पूछना
पहले
चाहती थी।
एक आपके प्रश्न के पहले थोड़ा गुरु स्मरण करते हैं, फिर शुरू कर देते हैं।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
साईनाथं च तत्शिष्यं श्री उपासनि सद्गुरुं देवीं गोदावरीं चैव वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। बताइए।
मेरा सबसे पहला आपसे प्रश्न ये होगा कि ओल्ड वास्तु और मॉडर्न वास्तु में फर्क क्या है?
देखो, ओल्ड वास्तु के जो भी नियम हैं, जैसे प्रवेश द्वार के नियम है, समझते हो, 4th डिवीजन एंट्री चाहिए क्योंकि वो चंद्रमा की डिवीजन है। 4th डिवीजन है तो मून स्ट्रीम्स हैं, ईड़ा पिंगल ईड़ा के प्रवाह प्राप्त होते हैं, वहां से शुभ संकेत दाई वो प्रवाह को मानते हैं। तो इट विल ऑलवेज गिव यू गुड न्यूज, इसलिए 4th डिवीजन एंट्री, जैसे दशा में भी देखते हैं ना, केशुर चम, तो चंद्रमा की डिवीजन जो है 4th डिवीजन आती है। तो इस प्रकार
राइट।
से कहा गया है। लेकिन आज के फ्लैट्स में आप देखेंगे तो ऐसे होता नहीं है। तो इसीलिए डोर जब खोलते हैं तो कई कई फ्लैट्स के लिए फ्लाइट ऊपर जाती है और कई कई
राइट।
फ्लैट के लिए फ्लाइट नीचे जाती है ना। मतलब
हाँ।
डोर खोलने के बाद अगर आप उत्तर या पूर्व की तरफ मुंह कर रहे हो
हाँ।
और फ्लाइट ऊपर जा रही है, मतलब वो डोर के सामने प्रबल पृथ्वी तत्व है, मतलब
ओके।
ऊर्जा का अभाव रहेगा। और
ओके।
उत्तर और पूर्व की ऊर्जा जो है वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, शुभ ऊर्जा
ओके।
है। और समझो डोर खोलते हैं और फ्लाइट नीचे जाती है, मतलब पृथ्वी तत्व जो है वो निर्बल हो जाता है। और डोर
ओके।
खोलते ही समझो वो दक्षिण या पश्चिम की दिशा है, तो दक्षिण और
हाँ।
पश्चिम नीचे जा रही है, मतलब वो
हाँ।
अशुभ है। इस प्रकार से ऊर्जा निकष पकड़कर पारंपरिक शास्त्र का अगर हम नियमन करते हैं, तब जाके मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर में उसका प्रभाव समझ सकते हैं।
ओके।
नहीं तो एकदम पोथी पंडित आदमी बन जाएगा, फिर वो शास्त्र का सब सत्यानाश हो जाता है।
अच्छा। राइट। अभी दूसरा था, योग शास्त्र और वास्तु का रिलेशन क्या है?
ऐसे हैं, योग शास्त्र को हम वास्तु शास्त्र की जननी मानते हैं। योग शास्त्र का सबसे प्रमाण ग्रंथ जो है शिव स्वरोदय करके है, जिसमें शिवजी ने पार्वती को सब सुझाव दिए हैं जीवन के बारे में। तो उसमें वो नाड़ी मतलब कॉस्मिक ब्रेथ की बात करते हैं और
ओके।
व्यक्तिगत ब्रेथ की मतलब श्वास की भी बात करते हैं। तो उसमें ऐसे लिखा है कि उत्तर, ईशान्य और पूर्व दिशाओं पर चंद्रमा ने ईड़ा नाड़ी का प्रभाव है, अमल है, सत्ता है। और इस नाड़ी का वर्णन शुभ संकेतदायी माना गया है। तो जिस
ओके।
भवन पर उत्तर, ईशान्य और पूर्व दिशा से चंद्र नाड़ी का संवेदन स्पंदन रहता है, उस भवन में स्थैर्य, क्षेम, आयु, मांगल्य और कल्याण जैसी पंच परमेष्टि की प्राप्ति होती है। So this is
राइट।
termed as the positive cosmic breath, which comes or gets excited from north, northeast and east. तो एक
ओके।
सिंपल है, जिस भवन में आप कदम रखते हो वहां उत्तर, ईशान्य और पूर्व के प्रवाह, आकाश, प्रकाश और ऊर्जा का स्पंदन अगर है तो वो भवन अच्छा है। फिर उस
ओके।
भवन को वास्तुशास्त्रज्ञ की जरूरत है नहीं। और दक्षिण, नैऋत्य, पश्चिम, ये जो दूसरा सेट ऑफ डायरेक्शंस हैं, उस पर योग शास्त्र ऐसे कहता है कि उस पर सूर्य पिंगला नाड़ी का प्रभाव है, अमल है, सत्ता है। तो जिस भवन में दक्षिण, नैऋत्य, पश्चिम दिशा से आकाश, प्रकाश और ऊर्जा का स्पंदन चलता है, उस भवन में विपदा, विकार, विनाश, विलाप और विद्रोह जैसे विषमय प्रसंगों का सामना करने की संभावना। All those houses where travel of the light happens from south, southwest, west, in those houses there lies the possibility of death, destruction, demolition, discontinuity and defamation.
Right.
That is the negative cosmic breath.
Right.
तो जब योग शास्त्र से जुड़ जाते हैं तब पारंपरिक शास्त्र जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली आकाश, प्रकाश, ऊर्जा तथा पृथ्वी तत्व, जड़त्व, गुरुत्व इस प्रकार से सम्मिलित हो जाता है। यही खासियत है योग शास्त्र की। वैसे ही एक जो यौगिक मुद्रा है षण्मुखी मुद्रा, तो षण्मुखी मुद्रा द्वारा 18 महर्षियों ने पंचमहाभूतों का गुण वर्णन दिया है। और ये जो पंचमहाभूतों का गुण वर्णन है उसका उपाय शास्त्र में बहुत अच्छा प्रभाव मिलता है। समझो अभी मॉडर्न कंस्ट्रक्शन में एक स्टेयरकेस पर 4 फ्लैट्स रहते हैं। तो उसमें से एक फ्लैट तो साउथ वेस्ट का रहेगा, तो उसमें नॉर्थ बंद रहेगी, ईस्ट बंद रहेगी, और प्रकाश जो चलेगा वो दक्षिण और पश्चिम से चलेगा। और दक्षिण और पश्चिम में पृथ्वी तत्व, जड़त्व, गुरुत्व होना जरूरी है। और आकाश, प्रकाश और ऊर्जा तथा पृथ्वी तत्व, जड़त्व, गुरुत्व एक विरोधी है, विरोध भाव है। जहाँ प्रकाश है, जहाँ ऊर्जा है, वहां पृथ्वी तत्व है नहीं। मतलब दक्षिण पश्चिम में निर्बल पृथ्वी तत्व हो जाएगा। और जैसे निर्बल पृथ्वी तत्व हो जाएगा वैसे ही पिंगला नाड़ी के प्रवाह अधिक मात्रा में बहेंगे। फिर वही घर में डेथ, डिस्ट्रक्शन, डिमोलिशन, डिसकंटिन्यूटी, डिफेमेशन जैसे 5 तरीके के दाऊद भाई हैं, ये डीज हैं। तो 5 तरीके से दाऊद आक्रमण कर सकता है। इसलिए योग शास्त्र ऐसे कहता है आपश्वेता क्षिति पीता, कि पृथ्वी तत्व पीत वर्ण का है। तो जो दक्षिण की जितनी भी विंडोज हैं उसको खाली आप पीले कलर की फिल्म लगा देते हो तो प्रकाश का अवतरण जो भवन में होता है वो सूक्ष्म पृथ्वी तत्व के स्पंदनों में परिवर्तित हो जाता है। और जैसे ही पृथ्वी तत्व प्रतिष्ठित हो जाता है दक्षिण में, वैसे ही सूर्य पिंगला नाड़ी के प्रवाहों में बाद डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाता है। एंड एंटायर इवेंटोलॉजी ऑफ द हाउस चेंजेस जस्ट बाय single color. That's the beauty of the shastra. When you connect it to the yoga shastra.
Right. Okay. Those who have any questions, they can write it. We'll take it across. And those who wants to connect personally with Dr. N.S. Sahasrabuddhe, they can contact on 9822011050. 9822011050. जिनको पर्सनली कांटेक्ट करना है वो भी कर सकता है, और जिनको अभी क्वेश्चंस है वो भी लिख सकता है। वी विल टेक द क्वेश्चंस। ओके, अभी ये मॉडर्न जो हाउसिंग है, फ्लैट्स है यहाँ पर अब जो बन रहे हैं, उनकी हाइट कितनी होनी चाहिए?
हाइट्स पर अपना कोई नियमन नहीं है, वो सब बिल्डर्स के हाथ में है। दे वांट टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एवरी इंच।
Right.
There is no control on that.
Okay. But minimum कितना होना चाहिए?
Floor height भवन की,
हाँ,
भवन की तो 10.5 फुट होना चाहिए मिनिमम, क्योंकि आदमी जब खड़ा रहता है 6 फीट समझो, और दोनों हाथ ऊपर करता है जिसको आरा कहते हैं, तो उसके ऊपर मिनिमम 2 फीट होना चाहिए।
ओके, राइट।
उसमें बहुत सारा है बाकी योग शास्त्रीय सकारणता, कि जैसे सिर के ऊपर 9 इंच पर शिव चक्र रहता है। वो शिव चक्र जो है और सहस्रार जो है, इसका कनेक्टिविटी 2 तरीके की शक्तियों से चलता है, जिसको योगिनी और व्यापिनी कहते हैं। तो योगिनी और व्यापिनी का कनेक्टिविटी विद द शिव चक्र जो है वो 1.5 टाइम्स द हाइट ऑफ द पर्सन होना चाहिए मिनिमम। तो 6 फीट हो गया समझो हाइट, तो मिनिमम तो 9.5 फुट होना चाहिए। हाई राइज बिल्डिंग में 8 फुट ही रखते हैं आजकल।
डॉक्टर सहस्त्रबुद्धे, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश भी यूज करें, बिकॉज आई थिंक लॉट्स ऑफ योर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैव आल्सो जॉइन्ड इन, सो थोड़ा सा आप इंग्लिश ज्यादा यूज करें, so that will be better for them to understand.
Definitely, I'll be more comfortable also.
Because I just saw that they have just joined in, so if they will not understand, then there is a waste of time for them to enter.
Very true. We'll use.
So we'll use mixed language, English more.
So height of the flat should be minimum 10 feet 6 inches. And there is a Yoga Shastriya explanation why it should be. Maximum height, say in India, you find 6 feet 6 inch maximum height. And they say at 9 inch height, you have the Shiva Chakra, which is the soul source of the soul and connectivity between the macrocosm and microcosm. And that Shiva Chakra is connected to the Sahasrara by 2 types of energies, that is Yogini and Vyapini. Those two. So the total development of the Yogini and Vyapini depends on the ether above the head. So they say minimum 1.5 times from the person's height. It should be minimum. Even above that, it's better.
Right. Okay. Now my other question is the direction of the gas. If the gas is in the southeast or east, then what is the repercussion of that? And platform should be in which color? Because nowadays in flats everything is ready-made. We don't have to do anything. But if we do innovation or something, then the color should be which color we should take.
See, normally what we do, we suggest for east and southeast zone a white color platform. Now you get that particular stone, kind of Kalinga or something.
White marble we get. White marble we get.
Quartz you get. Quartz. It should be little
white marble we get.
White marble is very soft stone. Even if some oil falls, it will get trouble. So you get the quartz stone. I'll show you now. Wait.
Okay. Right.
It's white.
Right.
Do you see?
Yes, we can see.
So like white stone is always good. There are certain reservations regarding using the granite. Actually, granite is good because it doesn't get scale off. It is the hardest stone, but it has a piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric effect gives AD currents, and AD currents have direct attack on your aura. That's why the labor which works in the granite quarries, after 7-8 years, they get malignancy. So that is the thing. So better to use quartz now. Modern days you get it. Or if you use white marble, then there is one enamel treatment on the top, so that it doesn't scale off and like that.
Yes. Okay. If
the kitchen is in west, then use blue stone. If kitchen is in south, then use yellow stone. If kitchen is in north, then use white marble, as you said.
Right. Okay. But if we are provided with black marble and we cannot do renovation, then what is the remedy? We can hear.
Now you have some colors also. On the black marble, you can paint it in white. But now you get very thin tile in white marble also. So directly on that black stone, you can paste it. That is also
Okay.
possible. Huh.
Right, right,
And
right.
say if it is in the east zone, then below that you can place some triangular copper helix.
Okay.
So that helix is a wonderful medium which is
Okay.
triangular, so it represents fire element.
Okay.
It is helical, so it represents cosmic energy.
Hmm.
Again, it is in copper, so it has a connectivity with the Mars. And Mars
Right.
is the set of planets related to the East star, lords of 1595 fire signs. So
Yeah.
Mars, Sun, and Jupiter are lords of East. Out of
Okay.
that, Mars carries more meaning because
Yeah.
in natural horoscope, the first house contains Aries, that is Mars sign. So
Right.
triangular helix, if we place it in the platform and on top of it you place the another stone, then it gives wonderful enhancement of qualities of the east. Likewise,
Right.
if it is you are facing west, then you can use circular bronze helix, which is connected to the Mercury.
Okay.
Then, if you are in the south zone, you can use square iron helix because
Okay.
square represents earth element, and again, dampening of the vibrations of the south happens by reverse helix. And iron is connected to the Saturn, who is the lord of south also. Like that.
Right.
So we
Okay. There is
call
one question.
Graha, Tattva, Devata, Disha, and Urja. That is planet, elements, deities, directions, and energies as Panchayatan of Vastu Shastra. 5
Right.
dimensions of Vastu Shastra. So when
Right.
you connect your remedy with either of these 5 dimensions, you get the vibrations of that directions.
Okay.
That's why every Vastu expert should have some connectivity with the astrology. Basic
Okay.
knowledge of astrology is must. Actually, we take one course for Vastu experts, which in 3 days, the required astrology, which we call as the applied astrology, we teach. And students are
Right.
very happy in that.
Right. Okay.
Ask.
Yeah. There is one question
Hmm.
from the viewer.
Hmm.
He is saying that please give remedies for west facing house.
See, is it a bungalow or a flat?
Is it a bungalow? Kapilji, is it a bungalow? Uh, Kapilji, is it a bungalow? Not
Let's go for
replying.
next question.
Right. The other question is
Yes,
no, no, it's a house.
it's a bungalow or
No,
a flat.
house. Flat,
House.
maybe flat.
Let him clear it. West
Uh,
facing means what? Is it the main door is facing west or maximum
is it
light
a
is
bungalow
coming
or
from
a flat
west?
or a row house? Please clarify. House may, but what house? It is a flat or a bungalow or row house. Okay, I think we should not waste time on this.
House is
House is
bungalow, they said.
bungalow.
House is
Okay.
bungalow means there is a road to the west, isn't it? If
Huh.
road is to the west, then from road side, the site margin is more. Means west is connected with a big prangan, a big site
Huh.
margin.
Right.
Means lot of travel of light and energy happens from the west, which plays disagreement in the life. The
Right.
traditional sutra says, Paschime kalaham kuryat, That is, aggression of the Western vibration leads to lot of fights, difference of opinions, because West is connected to 3711 signs. That is wind
Right.
signs. And wind signs contain the star of Rahu. So hyperexcitation of Rahu and Saturn happens from the West, which leads to all this difference of opinion, then fights, which they call it as the kalaha. That's why
Right.
normally the houses where there lies hyperexcitation of the West, there are chances of break of all types of relations and partnerships. In such cases, what they should do, in a case of a bungalow, they should use a huge, heavy landscape in front of the house. And in that, they should plant a small peepal tree. But see
Okay.
that the peepal tree doesn't grow more than 8 feet. Otherwise, it will cast shadow on the house. Then it becomes a mahadosha. What we
Okay.
are supposed to do for termination of the Western streams or Western energy, that you need to add earth element over there. So Prithvi
Okay.
Tattva, Zadatva and Gurutva to the West will solve all problems related to the West. So in
Okay.
house, if you keep one black lingam, and to that
Okay.
lingam you provide a square iron helix as the yoni and fix it. And for 7 days, you put 7 types of oils, 1 spoon each, for charging of that lingam to give the Saturn effects. And
Okay.
Saturn assembly, if kept center of the West, then that will act as the Mitra Anga Devata of the West. And then it will
Right.
give wonderful results. All the vibrations of the West will get transformed like a sound. Sound waves are circular, ever expanding, and helical. Normally, problem of the West are related to the vibrations which are like a noise. And noise
Right.
vibrations are erratic vibrations. They don't have
Right.
order and discipline. So when one lingam is added, it creates those um, ascending helical streaming of the sound waves is created. And it is
Right.
acting as the Anga Devata of the West zone, that is Mitra.
Okay. Right. The other question is
We shall make it
from
short, I think, answers.
yeah, no issues. Because they should understand also what
Yeah,
it is exactly. So if we take less questions, it's okay, but then they should understand properly.
yeah, yeah. Good. I like your attitude.
Yeah.
Don't want just the answer to the question.
Yeah,
You
we
are
want them to
interested in
understand and then use
you are
it.
interested in explanation like me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
because we want them to use it. See, this forum is for people to understand things better. And if
Yeah,
they want to do more into it, they can do. They can
sure.
contact you further if they do not understand. But here we try to make them understand.
Now on 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of October, we are
Yes,
taking
I
one
read it. Yes.
course in which I'll be teaching 24 case studies. Each day I will
Right.
cover 8 case studies. And all the
Okay.
8 case studies when I teach, I'll take all possible dimensions of the Shastra. That is its
Right.
connectivity to Astro, Vastu, Yoga Shastra, in remedies, Tantra, and everything.
Yes,
You
yes.
attend,
I
you
will
can
read
miss
that
it.
full thing later on in
Sure.
front of everybody so that
No
they will
problem.
understand which type of quote it is. I will
Yeah,
read it in the end.
true.
Yeah, Dr. Giriraj, he is asking, dear sir, it is
Hmm.
said that Pushpa Dant in west direction is good, but most of the Vastu experts suggest it sink area and suggest to have gate in northwest plus area.
No,
Therefore, which one is authentic?
no. I'll tell you, this entry is a big confusion is there. If there is road to the west,
Okay.
Then the house entry should be from the north.
Okay.
Then the travel of the person happens Purna Bahu Pradakshina Marge.
Right.
But we can observe all this for a bungalow or a single house. In case of
Right.
flats, you don't do it.
Okay.
So what the Dr. Giriraj is speaking regarding specific division entry, which is not applicable in ownership flats.
Right.
Unless Pushpadanta gets connected to the Bhallat of the north, just the entry of the Pushpadanta doesn't carry any meaning.
Right.
This is the basic thing which normally people miss it.
Right. 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 Okay. From entry, I just came to know that nowadays, the builders, they don't put Umrah on flats. Umrah.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Delhi's.
Yeah, which material this Umrah should have? I mean, wooden, or nowadays they put marble. So which material they should have?
See, for East, if you can get the red sandalwood, is good.
Huh? Red sandalwood.
If not, you just use a good quality teak wood.
Okay.
And below that teak wood, you place 7 copper coins and 3 silver coins.
Right.
And fix it. Then it is applicable to the east.
Right.
If the entry is to the southeast, then you use yellow stone for the umbra.
Okay.
And below that stone, you place 7 copper coins, and even you get small helix, 1.5 inch. So 7 triangular copper helix if you place below the umbra, so that takes care of that. And even the door of the southeast, one should go for copper paneling to the door.
Right.
And southeast entry is not allowed.
Right.
So, outside the door or inside the door, one should provide pyramidal canopy. It is a simple in plaster of Paris, and provide yellow color to it so that it damps down the negative vibrations created. Because as we have learned, आपश्वेता क्षिति पीता, पृथ्वी तत्व का स्पंदन पीत वर्ण से प्राप्त हो जाता है. Yellow color enhances the earth element. Like that, 8 doors are defined by 8 entries. Probably they can read in one of the books, like this is the Hindi book is there. So mostly this book contains all. Sahasra
Right.
It contains all the entries.
Mahavastu, yeah.
Hindi book.
Sahasra Mahavastu is the book. In that you will get everything.
Mostly
and it is written by Dr. N.S. Sahasrabuddhe. So you will get it. You can contact him personally and you can have it couriered also. Right? Okay. Now there is one more question. Okay, that was, if the Umrah is black in marble, black granite, then what is to be done?
It is for south, southwest, it is okay. Even for the west, it's okay.
So mine is southwest. My entry is southwest.
I would prefer yellow stone there. Because 3 colors are connected to the earth element. The black, brown and yellow. That yellow is connected to sattva. Brown is connected to royal, that is rajasa. And black is connected to the tamas. So one should use yellow. That is preferable.
Okay, right. Right. There is one more question here. What is the remedy for southeast main door? Sun moves from left side to the house to the side of the house. Do we need a remedy?
That's already we have discussed it. Copper paneling, pyramidal canopy, in case triangular copper helix below the flooring, use yellow color stone to the entrance zone, keep 2 3 plants in the zone. All such, there are always 7 remedies related to each entry. I think most of them are explained in this book, Sahasra Mahavastu.
Right. Okay. What is the remedy for south facing flat? One viewer has asked. South facing flat.
Means main door is to the south, is it?
Yes.
See, if main door is the south, normally in that house, it must be a flat, say.
Yes,
Is
flat.
it? In flat, when the main door is to the south, means maximum light is from opposite direction, that is from the north. So there is hyper
Yeah.
excitation of moon streams, which is good. But connected to the main entry, there could be the lift. And lift acts
Okay.
as the depression. We call lift as lift well. That
Okay.
is, there lies a Nirbal Prithvi Tattva. So in
Okay.
that zone, you need to do the copper paneling to the main door.
Okay.
Then deep pyramidal canopy to the entrance zone with yellow color. Then keep some plants in that zone and keep some pebbles, river pebbles. River pebbles is a divine remedy because one pebble from the river means the whole stone is circular. So it represents wind element. Since
Right.
majority of the uh, weak earth has gone because of friction of the water, so it is a solid earth. Then
Right.
24 hours it is crushed by water. So there is a sanskar of the water element on that. And since
Right.
friction happens, there is a sanskar of the fire also. So all
Right.
the 4 elements have created the divinity in that stone. That's why it
Yeah.
is said, Narmada ka har kankar shankar. It is
Right.
because there is a connectivity to the 4 elements. And when
Okay.
4 elements are in balance, automatically the 5th element pours the blessings. That is the ether, that is the sky. That is how the
Right.
play of 5 elements happens. So some pebbles, if you bring and keep in the sink zone, that is southeast, south, southwest, west. Say in
Right.
southeast you keep 3 stones, south you keep 5, southwest you keep 7, and in west you keep 3 stones. It
Right.
totally adjusts the energy matter equation of the house.
Okay.
Moment the energy matter equation of the house is settled, the energy starts moving in a mandalakar way. That is the whole
Right.
theory, which we explain in detail in course. Over here,
Hmm.
it's not that time is not there, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah. There is one more question. Garden is in northwest and have a big oak tree.
Hmm.
Should we do anything
Does it
about it?
does it cast shadow on the house? No.
Does it cast shadow? Oak tree. Charulata ji, does it cast shadow?
Normally, from northwest, you don't get a shadow
Okay.
because sun sets in west.
No.
No. So what you do over there inside, you plant one kanchan tree. That is
Right.
it. So
Okay.
kanchana vibrations will take over the surrounding.
Okay. Right. Okay. So, Charulata ji, you have to plant a kanchan tree there, right? Now the other question is northwest tree wouldn't give shadow. He's repeating. If you
But
have
chop up.
any questions,
But
please
it is
let us
always
know.
better to chop that tree.
Okay. Right. Instead of doing any remedies, chop it off.
Chop it off.
Right. Right. Okay. Now I would like to know that this uh, we have Vastu should be according to person's horoscope. Are general rules of Vastu works for everyone?
They are applicable for everyone. But if, say, somebody is having ascendant 159, fire sign, and all
Right.
these lords of fire signs are very strong. So in his case, if East contains some fault, his personal aura will take care of it.
Okay.
Like that. Taratam, there is always something which keeps changing with the person
Right.
to person. But
Right.
the tenets of the Vastu Shastra are equally and applicable to everybody.
Right. Right. Now the other question is, center temple is allowed?
Temple in
Yeah,
house.
center temple in the house.
See, when you actually the temple, they say traditionally keep it in the northeast zone. But what people do, people make a huge stone platforms.
Right.
Then on that white marble big mandira, then there will be kalash on the top. Then there will
Yes.
be all Maharaja's photographs and all that blocking is there. So, Upalabdhi of the northeast zone is Akash Prakash Urja. If that gets loaded by such heavy material, then it blocks the northeast. Means God will run away from your house. So we
Okay.
always suggest keep anywhere comfortably God facing east or west. So if it
Right.
is in the west zone, then you raise it, then block it. So blocking the west is good. Like that.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now here one beautiful question has come. What is the remedy for delayed marriage of girl?
It depends on the house. Normally, if there is kitchen to the northwest, then the marriage gets delayed. In that case, you treat the northwest zone by way of 7 bronze helix and blue
Okay.
color flooring, like that.
Okay. Right. Those who wants to connect with Dr. Sahasrabuddhe, they can connect on 9822011050. Before we ask any questions, I would like to say uh, on 2nd, 3rd and 4th October, there is one beautiful course, a unique Vastu course, which Dr. Sahasrabuddhe is going to take on Zoom. He is going to cover many things: theoretical, traditional aspects, and sutras, prediction related to the form of the house, office, shop, factory. Then Astrovastu aspect, five great elemental analysis, two stream theory, theory of excess, yogic remedies, traditional remedies, helix, shankus, mantra beach, plates, Kilakas, Lingams, Ling Bhairavi, interior remedies, Tantra remedies, Vastu Yantras, 12 parameters of Vastu rectification, 12 Anga Avaran Bhikshuk deities and Vastu Purush mandalas. Everything he is going to cover. Yes, it will be in English, Eliza. It will be in English.
And local
So
language too.
so anybody who wants to know in English, they will be taught in English, and anybody in other languages, they will be taught that way. So you can contact Dr. Sahasrabuddhe on 9822011050 for further information. So this course is a unique one, and everybody can join. Yeah, there are many questions dropping in. Yes.
Okay, ask.
Yeah, yeah. Beside, how can we hear this session again? Yes, I will post the link. I will post the link, or it is there. It will be there on my page.
Good. Can we
If a
transfer it to
person,
the YouTube?
I will do that.
Okay, thank
I
you.
will do that and give it to you.
Yeah, please.
Uh, if wait, I mean, which plot should we buy, north facing or east facing? As east facing is related in Sukh Kshetra and north facing is related to wealth.
See, it is always better to purchase the plot which is north facing, means road is to the north. Then in that case, automatically the site margin to the north push back the house in the south zone where the earth element is needed. If
Yeah.
you are, the second alternative is east facing, that is road to the east. But in that
Right.
case, when the site margin to the east is more, means southeast site margin also becomes more
Right.
than northwest. Since Vastu Shastra is a two-stream theory, simultaneously one has to think of the complementary direction. So when
Right.
southeast site margin is more, you need to treat that zone.
Right.
Treating means just make one big stone compound over there, then
Right.
one big Tulsi Vrindavan in stone over there, so that that
Right.
area gets blocked. Like that, we have to
Okay.
do something.
Right. Okay. One question is there: if a person has severe skin issues, which Vastu dosh should be focused on?
Northeast. Fault might
Northeast.
be in the northeast.
Yeah.
Majority of the skin problems are problems because of disturbed psyche, which
Okay.
is controlled by the head. Which is controlled by the head.
Yes.
And Vastu Purusha's head lies in the northeast section. And
Yes.
one-to-one mapping says if fault lies in the northeast, that will give all this disturbed psyche and all that. Like that.
Right. Right. Okay. If lift and staircase in north side, then what is the remedy?
It is good. Lift is good. But for
Okay.
staircase, you need to enhance the north zone, which we'll be
Yes.
teaching in this course.
Right.
Enhancement of the north.
Okay. The other question is, other fruit trees allowed in the southeast apart from mango, other what was it?
You can use any fruit tree in sync directions, but it should not cast shadow on the house. That's the important rule.
Right. Okay. There is one question. Course will be online. Yes, it will be on Zoom. The course will be on Zoom for 3 days. Uh, we are in conversation with Dr. N.S. Sahasrabudhe. His contact number is 9822011050. Sir, there is one question. Can we discuss our own plan in course?
Own?
Their own house plan in course.
I won't get that much time. I have to cover 24 case studies, each day 8 case studies. So it's not possible.
Okay. But you can
But by
contact us
listening,
personally.
but by listening to the course, they can directly apply the remedies which I am going to teach. Even
Right.
just now, the remedies which I told, just 3, 5, 7, 3 pables, keeping in the house to southeast, south, southwest, west. And in concurrence, if you use yellow, golden, and blue color to that, blue for the west, it gives a result.
Right. Right. We tomorrow we are having Dr. Kamlendra Tripathi, Dr. Kajal Thakur, and Prerak Pujara ji. All three we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we are having this 3 people from 3 to 7 p.m. tomorrow. So those who wants to connect with Dr. Sahasrabuddhe, they can connect on 9822011050. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here on this forum. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.